Collegiate athletic associations are one of the four main types of amateur athletic associations. The most well-known collegiate athletic association is the National Collegiate Athletic Association, or NCAA. The NCAA, like many collegiate athletic associations, is comprised of both public and private colleges and universities. The NCAA is a private amateur athletic association that doesn't have any grant of governmental authority to govern its members. This differs from many high school athletic associations that typically have state governmental authority to regulate member high schools. The most famous challenge to the NCAA's status as a private actor was raised in the United States Supreme Court case NCAA versus Tarkanian. In 1977, the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, or UNLV, a public university, suspended its men's basketball coach, Jerry Tarkanian, after the NCAA found that UNLV staff committed 38 NCAA rule violations. Tarkanian was personally involved in 10 of the rule violations. The NCAA placed the UNLV basketball program on probation for 2 years. The NCAA told the university that it would impose additional penalties on the basketball team unless UNLV cut all ties with Tarkanian during the 2-year probation period. As a result, UNLV suspended Tarkanian as head coach. During the suspension, Tarkanian would be demoted to a tenured professor. As a tenured professor, Tarkanian's salary would be over $100,000 less than his salary as head basketball coach. Tarkanian filed suit against UNLV and the NCAA, claiming that the university and the NCAA violated his property and liberty rights under the 14th Amendment by suspending him. The NCAA argued that it couldn't be found liable because it wasn't a state actor. The trial court found that the NCAA engaged in state action and granted injunctive relief in favor of Tarkanian. The NCAA appealed, but the Nevada Supreme Court affirmed the trial court's holding. The United States Supreme Court granted cert to review the Nevada Supreme Court's holding that the NCAA engaged in state action when it recommended Tarkanian's suspension.